Cinderella Company. Today I want to show you how to take two heart frames and put them together to make a pumpkin carriage for a Cinderella theme party. They come in a box like this. I've taken the parts out. The first thing you want to do is lay them on the table in order by number so you can assemble them in order by number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. So these are going to be the legs of the carriage. I've gone ahead and assembled the other 3 legs ahead of time. You don't have to watch me do that 4 times over again. And to do the carriage, the first time I did it, I did all the legs, and I did the top last. And I'm not that tall, and it's really hard to do that. So instead I recommend doing the top first. So take the 2 most curved pieces, they'll be numbered 8 and 9, and 7 is the middle, so 5 and 6. So again, I've put those together ahead of time for you. So I want to make the top of the carriage by putting 6 and 8 together. 8. And then the dots only go one way, so that's the way to put them together. So again, you want to do this is number 7. So you want to do the numbers 6 is next to 7. 5 is not, so we're going to put the 6 on there. And again, the tab only lets me put it together the right way. Snap click buttons, a few more times, another 6, and another, let me guess, 6 or 8. Again, 6 is close to 7. So it's got to be, no, 8, that's a 9. Don't be fooled. That's why I have a line on them. That's not a 6. So 8, the number 8 goes to the middle. Otherwise your curves won't match. Okay. So that's the top of the carriage. What I would do is put it upside down on the ground. Make sure this is tight. If it's not tight, you may need to get a wrench or a crescent wrench and just tighten it really good, because you don't want that wobbling on you. All right, so I'm going to put this on the ground, back up, and add my legs, which I've already put together ahead of time. Okay, we're almost done. Everything snap clicks together pretty easily. Get a close up of the snap click, please. And just push the button and slide this over. And let go of that before you finish so you don't pinch your finger. If you hold it there, you might pinch your finger. So always get your finger away before you close it. One more and we can see what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to try to stand it up. I happen to have my base weights put together, so it's ready to put those in there. Whoa, go back. Make sure that's open enough in there. And one more. So In your box, you're going to get the hardware, which you will have to put onto a base frame, either 2X crossbars or a piece of wood. And then, I don't think for the Cinderella, if you're indoors, you don't need the weights, but we always include some water or sand fillable base weights. In case you need them for outdoors, you would fill those. You put them over your flanges to help keep it more stable outdoors. Now you have wheels. The wheels come in 4 parts, and again, they just snap click together. I've gone ahead and snap click most of it together. We'll do the final snap click. Bounce it up and down so that it's easy to move. And the wheels, you probably take a 260 balloon, that's what we do, and tie it on there before you start adding all your balloons to decorate. And that's the basics of your Cinderella carriage. Okay. Any questions? Give me a call. My number's on the instructions. Thank you.